Welcome students. Date is 1st September 2021 and day is Wednesday. 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 Words for practice. First word is sketch. 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 Sketch means drawing. Second word is watch. 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 Watch means vekhna. Third word is fetch. 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 Fetch means Leona. Fourth word is which. WITCH. Which means chudel. Fifth word is clutch. 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 Clutch means shota purse. It's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow with some new words. Till then, bye bye.